Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make ginseng chicken soup that is simple, easy and healthy. This only takes a few ingredients, which is this. It is going to be cooked using the slow cooker. Firstly, you need to boil the water at the stove. Secondly, add the boiling water to the slow cooker. This will help to reduce the cooking time. Then switch on your slow cooker to high. Make sure before you add in the chicken, you need to take out the skin and the fats under the skin to ensure that the soup won't be murky. Now we're gonna add the ginseng. Then we're gonna add the red dates. It needs to be pitted, and also you need to slice it a little bit so that it releases the sweetness into the soup. Then we're gonna add the goji berries. Be sure to wash all these ingredients beforehand. Then give it a little stir so that all the ingredients mix together. Then we're gonna close the lid and leave it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, add the salt. Delicious. When you see the soup is boiling in the slow cooker, turn the switch to low. Then leave it for 2 to 3 hours to let it cook. Ta-da! It's done. So this is the outcome. Hope you guys try it out for yourself, this recipe. And also please do subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thank you.